Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and today we're going to do a lot whole of cleaning, and we're also going to be baking. Yeah, basically, so that's the only thing we're doing. So I'm gonna do an extreme cleanup, or what would I call it? Thorough cleaning of my bedroom. Yeah, and then later on I'm going to be showing my house help how to bake a cake, because she will be going home tomorrow. Tomorrow is her off day, and she wanted to take her daughter a cake, so she asked me to bake it for her. But instead of baking it for her, I'm going to show her how to bake it so that she can bake it herself. And yeah, so that's the whole plan of this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing for my premier gang. Oh my god, you are amazing. Like I always say, you are family. Nawapenda sana, and if you don't come to my premiers, kindly make it a point to be showing up for my premiers. They're usually so much fun. And for those who don't know how premiers work, you just hit the live chat button, and then you just chat with everybody and also me in that video. So yeah, basically, so let's go. This is me fluffing off the bed. I have already removed the beddings. I removed the bed sheet and the mattress protector, and now I'm just wiping off the bed. I haven't bought a vacuum cleaner yet, and I really need to get one, because I feel like a vacuum cleaner can do a better job getting the dust off the material of the bed. And just because I know it's gonna come up, the bed is from Dr. Mattress, and the mattress is also from Dr. Mattress as well. I have had it for the last like 5 years, so it's really good quality. I don't know why it's sunken at the center there. But yeah, it just works perfectly fine. I also went ahead to wipe down the windows. I just use water and vinegar to wipe it down with a piece of cloth. I would like to lie to you, it's a microfiber one. I don't know, it is just a towel that I use. Then later on I shine them using a newspaper, the old school way. So if you know how to do that, I heard that it usually make the window attract more dust, but for me it just works fine. So yeah, for the outside part, I have this DIY window cleaner that I make using the same clothes and a like a stick, and then later on I tie newspapers around it and shine the window as well, and it just works so perfect. So yeah, then after cleaning the windows and everything, I went ahead to pull my bed and wiped the floor. You can see how dirty it is. Oh my god, this is embarrassing, but we're gonna clean that all up. So what I do, I usually go in with my mop at first, and then later on I'm going to come with my towel. At this point, I realized the walls also needed some TLC, so I went ahead and started scrubbing the walls. I just used water and towels, and then went ahead to wipe the floors. So since the bed is too huge, I usually just reach where I can with the mop, and then later on I'm going to push the mop under the bed so that I can get the areas that I don't get when I have pushed the bed. So I hope you enjoy the video. I am just going to put on some music and we continue from here. I hope you're enjoying. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want to let me know what you think, please leave a comment down below. And like I always say, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly consider subscribing, because you'll be helping my channel grow. So yeah.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise he used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes, so they got old.
So look at this wall. So this is my elder son's work. He usually use my eye pencils or crayons to draw the wall. And yeah, tell me how you handle this if you have kids, because for me, hey, in the last house that we moved, the landlord was like, hey, na hizo ukuta. So in this one, I don't want her to repeat the same thing. So yeah, let's continue the cleaning. I hope you're still enjoying the video. If you are, kindly let me know. Give it a thumbs up. If you care to leave a comment, I will appreciate it. I would like to really interact with you in the comment section. So yeah.
If I should stay or be alone, if I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make. And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow.
So after mopping the floor using the mop, I usually take my essential oil. Today I was using the peppermint. You can use any essential oil you have in the house. Just makes the room smell good. So yeah, this one I will go with peppermint. I can use lavender or eucalyptus, and it makes the house smell really, really good. So I just put it in clean water and then go in with my duster now, which is usually a towel, and just wipe down the floor, and the room smells so, so, so good.
And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I'm just waiting for the fight, but you won't even.
So after I was done cleaning, I took a shower because I was really tired, and then my beddings dried up. And yeah, this is me putting back the waterproof mattress cover. It also comes from Dr. Mattress. Actually, everything on our bed comes from Dr. Mattress, aside from the bed sheets and the duvet. And yeah, so this is a thrifted bed sheet. I got it at our local market. It was, I think it was like for 50 bob. It's a 7x7 bed sheet, so it's big enough for our bed. And then I put my duvet inside our duvet cover just to give the room a different look. And yeah, so basically that is what I was doing at this point.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything.
So afterwards, I made myself a peanut butter and banana sandwich and some hot chocolate because, well, it was cold and it was in the evening. But then it ended up being my baby's play toy. Okay, he loves the sandwich, so he ate like half of it, and then the rest of it, he decided it is supposed to be on the floor. So yeah.
A few hours later.
Aya, sawa, doaje video ni aje. Aya, Already na blue band. Half cup blue band. So okay, wikireke sukari. Alafu mafuta. So first off, I want to apologize in advance because most of this footage will be in a mixture of Kiswahili and my vernacular, which is Kikuyu, because that is what I felt would be the easiest to communicate with her. Not that she can't understand English, but it was easier and more comfortable for me if I was using either Kiswahili or Kikuyu. So I will translate as much as I can in between, but basically it is just a cake recipe. If you want the same recipe, you can find it on my channel. Okay, matubi na matubi maigana. Weke moja. Unaweka moja unakoroga. Kira kata nini kaje. Edha wekira nikorogosha gakorwo raithi kuruta. Unaweka kwa sahani, alafu ndo unaweka hapo ndani. Weke direct isikuwe na eka kavanila yako penye kamebaki. Wacha. Lakini tunafaa kwenda shopping. Kai.
Kesho, napata shopping mingi.
Kesho. Haya, eka kadogo ka pineapple. Nasema tusiweke ndimu, si ndio?
Hiyo ni ama nini?
Hiyo ni nyiki. That is a lot. Watch out, baby.
It will become orange.
Hiyo glasi mbili. Kwa na sukari, weke glasi mbili.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Kanini ugo.
At least it was worth the try.
Kagaiga nako kavada kuria.
Are you drive from your place? Kiss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Oh, Lord.
At least it was worth the try.
So at this point, we're just trying to make the cake pretty for a 4-year-old baby girl. So sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles all the way. And yeah, then we baked it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for, let's say, 45 minutes, and it was done. So yeah, I am really happy that she wanted to learn. I love people who learn who love learning. So it gave me a good chance to also bond with her, learn more about her daughter, and it felt really nice. And this is how the cake came out. It was really moist, and then she was like, we have to cut it so that I can know how it tastes before she goes home. Anyway, thank you so much guys for joining me in this video. If you have enjoyed it, let me know down below, and other ideas that you would also want to see. So yeah, so eventually it cooled down and we cut it, and this is how it turned out. And the next day she went home and took it to the daughter. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.